Hey, it's Tim Turner, Torrid Technologies, and I wanted to show you our 2018 version of Retirement View, some of the initial changes that we've made, and talk about some of the things that are going to be coming real soon. First of all, we added a bunch of detailed tax columns. We already had some columns for the tax on Social Security and pensions, but we also added some columns for the tax on qualified and non-qualified. Let me go over there. Sorry, there's a lot of columns, as you know. There's a tax on Social Security, the pensions. Let's go over here. Estimated tax on qualified withdrawals right there, that one. And estimated tax on non-qualified. And then, so basically, if it comes out of qualified, it's going to take additional money as tax based on the rates you enter, and that's going to be shown there. And then we've added a total taxes column where we're adding up all the taxes, even the taxes on the RMDs. So all of that is added up there, and that's for during the retirement period. We don't calculate taxes in the pre-retirement period. Also, if you're an advisor using the tool, if you go to the disclaimers screen, we've changed it. Instead of having these fixed 5 paragraphs, we have the cover page one, and then we have a disclaimers page. So in here you can add as many paragraphs as you want, and it'll just print as many pages as needed to print the disclaimers. So a lot of people were asking for that, so that's in here now. We've updated the Social Security cost of living adjustment. The 20-year average is 2.12%, so you can go in there. The 2018 COLA is 2%. This has 2.5 mainly because I opened a file that already had it preset, which will override the default. We also updated the Social Security data points, bin points, average wage index series, and maximum earnings, as well as the maximum taxable amount on job income. Let's see, what else? We fixed an issue on the About window where the subscription date wasn't visible. There was also an issue with the calculations not re-triggering when you change the tax rate, and that the federal tax rate, and that's now been changed. And also we added some changes to the printed report. If we go in here to print detailed report, we have this thing here, select report design. So we're starting to add options in here. So you have the old classic black and white with no images. We have the one that we added last year that's kind of green that has images. And then we added one new report this year that shows a multi-ethnic report. We had a number of people asking for that. And so you can see here a little bit of some changes in that if you want to use that report. Okay, the other thing is we're going to be changing these grid controls on the spreadsheet. You notice that the header there, when you scroll down, it doesn't stay there because this grid control doesn't support it. So the next release we're going to have at the end of January, February, is going to change this out and fix that header problem so that when you scroll down you can still see the headers. And we have a number of other enhancements we're going to be adding as well. That's all I have. Tim Turner, Torrid Tech, signing off. Thanks and happy planning.